Is Puravive real or a scam? Amidst this landscape, Puravive emerges as a beacon of promise, offering a holistic approach to weight loss that transcends mere quick fixes. But what sets Puravive apart from the plethora of supplements flooding the market, and how does it truly contribute to sustainable weight loss? Let's embark on an in-depth exploration of Puravive and its potent blend of ingredients, each carefully selected to address different facets of the weight loss journey. Number 1. Understanding luteolin's impact on metabolism. Luteolin, a flavonoid abundant in various fruits and vegetables, serves as a cornerstone of Puravive's formula. Beyond its antioxidant properties, luteolin has garnered attention for its ability to modulate metabolic processes. Research suggests that luteolin may influence key enzymes involved in lipid metabolism, promoting the breakdown of fat cells and facilitating weight loss. Number 2. The curbing effect of kudzu. Native to East Asia, kudzu has long been utilized in traditional medicine for its diverse health benefits. Among its many virtues, kudzu is revered for its ability to suppress appetite and reduce cravings. By modulating hunger signals in the brain and promoting feelings of satiety, kudzu aids individuals in adhering to their dietary plans and achieving their weight loss goals. Number 3. Unveiling the adaptogenic powers of holy basil. Holy basil, also known as Ocimum sanctum or Tulsi, holds a revered status in Ayurvedic medicine. Beyond its aromatic allure, holy basil boasts adaptogenic properties that help the body adapt to stressors more effectively. In the context of weight loss, stress management is paramount, as elevated stress levels can trigger emotional eating and hinder progress. By promoting a sense of calm and balance, holy basil empowers individuals to navigate the challenges of weight loss with resilience and grace. Number 4. Elevating energy levels with white Korean ginseng. White Korean ginseng, derived from the roots of Panax ginseng plants cultivated in Korea, has earned a reputation as a potent adaptogen and energy booster. In the realm of weight loss, maintaining consistent energy levels is essential for sustaining physical activity and adherence to dietary protocols. By enhancing stamina and vitality, white Korean ginseng equips individuals with the energy reserves needed to embark on their weight loss journey with vigor and determination. Number 5. The anti-inflammatory properties of Amur cork bark. Amur cork bark, sourced from the Amur cork tree native to East Asia, harbors a treasure trove of bioactive compounds with potent anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation has been implicated in the pathogenesis of obesity and metabolic dysfunction, making it a critical target in the quest for weight loss. By quelling inflammation at its source, Amur cork bark creates an environment conducive to metabolic balance and optimal health. Number 6. Propolis, nature's gift for gut health. Propolis, a resinous substance produced by honeybees to protect their hives, boasts a diverse array of bioactive compounds with antimicrobial and immunomodulatory properties. While its role in supporting immune health is well established, propolis also holds promise as a facilitator of weight loss through its effects on gut health. By promoting a balanced microbiome and optimizing digestive function, propolis enhances nutrient absorption and metabolic efficiency, laying the foundation for sustainable weight loss. Number 7. Quercetin, harnessing the power of plant polyphenols. Quercetin, a flavonoid abundant in fruits, vegetables, and grains, exerts a myriad of health benefits, ranging from antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects to immune modulation and cardiovascular protection. In the context of weight loss, quercetin's ability to combat oxidative stress and inflammation is particularly noteworthy. By mitigating the inflammatory cascade associated with obesity and metabolic syndrome, quercetin creates an environment conducive to fat metabolism and weight loss. Number 8. Oloropein, unlocking fat-burning potential. Oleuropein, a phenolic compound found in abundance in olive leaves and olive oil, has garnered attention for its diverse health-promoting properties, including antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and cardioprotective effects. In the context of weight loss, oleuropein's ability to enhance fat metabolism and reduce fat accumulation is of particular interest. By activating thermogenesis and promoting the breakdown of adipose tissue, oleuropein helps individuals achieve a leaner, more sculpted physique. Number 9. Synthesizing the synergy of Puravive's ingredients. Individually, each ingredient in Puravive's formula offers unique benefits that contribute to the overall efficacy of the supplement. However, it is the synergistic interplay between these ingredients that truly sets Puravive apart as a potent ally in the pursuit of weight loss. By targeting multiple pathways involved in metabolism, appetite regulation, energy production, and inflammation, Puravive offers a comprehensive approach to weight management that addresses the complex interplay of physiological factors underlying obesity and metabolic dysfunction. Number 10. The science behind Puravive, separating fact from fiction. In an industry rife with misleading claims and exaggerated promises, it's natural to approach dietary supplements with a healthy dose of skepticism. However, the science behind Puravive's formulation is rooted in rigorous research and clinical evidence, underscoring its legitimacy as a viable option for individuals seeking effective and sustainable weight loss solutions. In conclusion, embracing the potential of Puravive. Puravive represents a paradigm shift in the realm of weight loss supplements, offering a science-backed approach that prioritizes efficacy, safety, and sustainability. By harnessing the power of natural ingredients with demonstrated benefits for metabolism, appetite regulation, energy production, and inflammation, Puravive empowers individuals to embark on their weight loss journey with confidence and optimism. As we continue to unravel the complexities of obesity and metabolic dysfunction, Puravive stands as a beacon of hope, illuminating the path towards a healthier, happier future.